Hello everybody, welcome to art class. Today our topic is Alpona. It is very common word. Mainly we heard this word on the occasion of puja. Alpona refers to colorful motifs, sacred art or painting done with hands and paint, which is mainly a paste of rice and flour on the auspicious occasions in Bengal. The word Alpona is derived from the Sanskrit Alimpana, which means to plaster. It is also a folk art in Bengal. Ingredients used in such drawing mainly consist of rice powder, rice paste, dilute in water, dry color powders produced from dried leaves, charcoal, burnt earth, etc. Alpona is generally done on the floor and tea on the wall or ceiling, as was the case with the cave paintings of Ajanta. The traditional Bengali Alpona is white in color and fashioned by women into various geometrical or freehand motifs of flower, trees, animals, human, etc. In West Bengal, Rangoli is known as Alpona. The various names for this art form and similar practice include Mugu in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Rangoli, Rangole in Karnataka, Kolam in Tamil Nadu, Mendes in Rajasthan, Chauk Purana in Chhattisgarh, and Alpona in West Bengal. The making of colorful patterns on the floor using a mix of materials such as sand, flour, petals, rice flour, lentils, and beans is what forms a Rangoli, one of the most beautiful Indian folk arts. Alpona is a ritual paintings. Alpona is a kind of folk art and spontaneous expression of the artistic sensibility of people. It retains the past experience of the country and at the same time is very much contemporary in feeling. It is difficult to determine the origin of the art. Many authorities hold that some of the brothas and pujas with which Alpona are associated can be traced to pre-Aryan time. It may have come down to us from the Austric people who lived in the country long before the coming of the Aryans. According to these authorities, the ritualistic and traditional folk art of Bengal originally belonged to the early agricultural communities for the supply of ample crops and driving out evil spirit. In modern times, Alpona is very much influenced by the Shantiniketan style of art. Shantiniketan Alpona is abstract, ornamental, secular, and compact in nature. You will draw Alpona in your copy with pencil. At first, you will draw something like flower, and then you will color it with pencil color, pastel color, etc. So in this way, in your copy you will draw, you will practice to draw the alpona. Okay, so this week we'll try. Okay, bye everybody.